Now let us start with the second question of exercise 10.1. Draw a line L. Draw a perpendicular to L at any point on L. On this perpendicular, choose a point X, 4 cm away from L. Through X, draw a line M parallel to L. Okay. So now whatever steps are given in the question, we will read them one by one and accordingly we will do the construction. The first part is draw a line L. So with the help of scale, we will draw one line L like this. Okay. Line we have to mark arrows at both the ends and let us mark it L. Now next, we have to draw a perpendicular to L at any point on L. Okay. So we have to choose any one point here. Okay. Let this point be A. Now on this point A, we have to draw the perpendicular. Now how can we construct perpendicular line? For perpendicular with A as center, first we will draw a semicircle like this. With A as center, you have to keep the needle here and you have to draw a semicircle of any radius. Like this, you will draw a semicircle. Okay. Now, take these 2 points of the semicircle and with these 2 points as center, draw 2 arcs. Okay. Now, you can change the radius. Okay. Mark one arc here with this point as center and then with this point as center, draw another arc. Okay. Like this. Now, the 2 arcs are intersecting at this point. We will join this point with A. Okay. So, let us name this point. This is point A. This is our line L. Let us name this point B. And we will join AB. Okay, you have to do this construction with pencil only. I am making it with pen so that you can see it clearly in the video. Okay, we have got our line L and then we will draw a perpendicular. Now this line BA is perpendicular to line L. Now next step, on this perpendicular, choose a point X 4 cm away from L. So now with the help of scale, we will mark one point. Okay, like this. This is 4, this is 0. So at 4 cm distance, we will mark a point X. The name of this point is given X. So let us label it X. Now next it is given that through X, draw a line M parallel to L. Now for constructing parallel line, what we will do? We will measure the radius. Okay, the radius of the semicircle which we have made. Of that same radius, we will draw another arc like this. With X as the center. And then measure the distance from here to here. Okay. The arc is intersecting perpendicular line at a point. So from this point, we will measure this distance. And now our new arc is here. Okay, at this point it is coming on perpendicular line. So from this point we will draw one more arc. Okay, now join this point. We will join these 2 points to get the parallel line. This will be your parallel line. Okay, so we have got, let us name it line M. This line M is 4 cm away from point A. So children, are you able to get what we are doing actually? To get a parallel line, we first draw the transversal. Here this perpendicular line is the transversal and then we construct these 2 angles. These 2 angles are alternate angles. So we construct alternate equal angles and then we get the parallel line.